Good evening, friend. Today's date is 10 no, December 2021, and today's video topic is string buffer and string builder. So before starting today's topic, let me small introduce myself. My name is Abhishek Gandharamge. I'm basically from Latur and currently staying in Pune, and I have completed my graduation from Pune University in 2017. My hobbies are playing cricket. 5 members in my family, including me. So let's start today's topic. Uh, String builder and string buffer class in Java. So string buffer and string builder are the class we can create a mutable object in Java. Basically, string object is immutable, but when we require mutable object, then we can use string buffer and string builder class. String buffer string buffer and string builder class are mutable, means we can change that or modify the object of that class. This class, they have some important methods such as insert, delete, reverse, append, remove. They all are this method is similar to the string class method, but some feature which are added in the string buffer and string builder classes, such as reverse method, delete method. These are the append method which are not available in string class, but it is available in string buffer and string builder class. Because it is a mutable object, so we can delete the object, we can reverse the object, we can create that we can work on that object. But in string class we cannot be change the object because it is a mutable object. So that's why it is okay. The how to create an object in string buffer and string builder classes. So by using new keyword, we can create a string buffer and string builder classes in Java. So string buffer is be equal to new string buffer in and inside simple bracket double quote we can Java. This is a create an object. The object is created in heap memory. Also string builder is be equal to new string builder in constructor inside that we can create a parameter object. These objects are created in heap memory. This object is immutable, means we change that object. Let's see the if both are is working same, then why we create an same two classes, like working in a same characteristic or same parameters, such as let's see the difference between string buffer and string builder classes. The main difference is string buffer class is a synchronized class, and string builder class is a non-synchronized class. And means synchronized means it is a thread shape, means string buffer class is a thread shape. And string builder class is a non-thread shape class, means at a time we can thread more than two thread can pass through the method or calling to the method. And string buffer class, at a time one thread is passed to the one time one thread is passed to or pass or call to the method. Or string buffer class is less efficient than string builder, and builder class is more efficient than string buffer class. Less efficient means the working the time it is a time important. String buffer class, it is not required time, less more time required to run the program, and it required less time, means importance of the times is not available, not present in the string buffer class, and string builder class importance of time is required. And string buffer class is The required string buffer class is required accuracy. Required is accuracy means time more time required, but its accuracy is important. But string builder class is it is not required for accuracy, but time it is required for time. And it string buffer class is a 1.0 version of Java, and string builder class is 1.5 version of Java. This is a simple difference of string buffer and string builder class in Java. Thank you.